I did it! Did you see?
Oh yeah, that was awesome. I think you're ready for the Olympic stone skipping team. He thinks we're just going on a trip. I can't imagine when he'll find out what really happened.
We could build a really cool fort here, I bet.
Careful. Don't want to wake up covered in ants tomorrow.
Check this out, Sean. Whoa. Nice view. You can see so far.
Wait, I'm coming.
It's beautiful.
Pretty amazing, huh? See? It's not so bad here in the forest. Hey, look at those clouds. What do they look like to you?
I don't know. Cotton candy?
That's it? Cotton candy?
I don't know. What do you see?
A dragon.
What? Where?
Okay. There's the tail. And the horns. And the fangs. And the smoke coming out of its mouth.
Oh, I see it. It's awesome. Wouldn't it be cool if we had a pet dragon? Ooh, I see something else. There's a giant douchebag.
Oh, yeah? Where?
Right here.
Right here, huh? Come on. Let's go eat something. All right, Enano. We're cave people now. Time to make fire.
Ooh, ooh, we make fire. Can I help?
You have a big mouth like me, so come on. Blow.
Yes.
Dude, don't blow it out.
Sorry. I wanted to do it like a movie.
Oh, nice. It's warming up.
Wish we had more.
I know. Me too.
I'm ready for dessert.
Go ahead.
Do you want a piece?
Yeah. For once I do.
Now, I get to be the judge. Because you helped me, I'll share with you.
Isn't that more like a bribe?
Tastes so awesome, doesn't it?
Sure does. Thanks, Mr. Judge.
I wish we had a cheeseburger and a milkshake like yesterday.
Dude, that shake was so good. Can't believe we found a diner on the way out here.
I want another one.
I know. We'll get you one. Promise. Oh, that's my quota of cookies for the year. We're almost broke. How do we eat tomorrow?
Man, this is the coolest secret base ever.
Wonder if I'll ever go
Nobody's
back
gonna
to
find
school
us.
after this. Still no reception. Of course.
I'm bored. Sean, can I play Mustard Party on your phone? Please?
No reception, so go for it.
Yeah, thanks. Oh, I'm so gonna beat your score. Aw, come on. Almost? Almost? What? No! I was so gonna beat your score.
You wish.
Stupid phone. Look! A full moon! Ooh!
It's not quite full yet, Wolf Boy.
Do you think there are werewolves for real?
Dude, we are the wolves.
Ow!
See?
Ow! 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 Ow!
Good I took those and not the beers. Daniel needed this sugar rush. I could really use a smoke. Man, I made a fire tonight. Dad would be proud. Funny how a little food chills Daniel out.
I'm so tired.
You okay, buddy?
Yeah. Feels good to sit down. Sean, are you mad at me for what happened with Brett? I don't remember everything.
We got in a fight.
Did you kick his ass?
Yeah, but nobody won. It's not like the movies, Daniel. Daniel's a zombie. We gotta get to sleep. You look tired. Ready to crash?
I think I need to go to the bathroom.
I knew it. Okay, if you have to pee, then go. You want me to come?
No, I'm not a baby.
Dude, Not that close. We have to sleep here.
I wasn't. I was trying to find somewhere to go. Sean, I heard something. I swear.
Yeah, it's a forest. There's a lot of critters out there. Scared you might pee on them?
Shut up. I didn't.
I think we earned some serious rest. I could sleep forever.
Not on this ground.
Better than freezing out there, right?
Way better. Now we have a real fire.
And a secure base. You did awesome today, Daniel.
Really?
Hell yeah. Yeah, you're like a real wilderness expert.
That's cool. My eyes won't stay open, Sean.
Sleep tight, bro.
Dad. Dad, where are we?
Daniel? Hey, bro. Wake up.
Sean? What happened? Where's Dad?
It's okay. You just had a bad dream. That's all.
Sean? Where are we?
Right here. In the park. Remember our amazing fire?
Yeah? Are we okay?
We're fine. I'm right here. Don't worry.
Okay. I won't. As long as you're here.
Go back to sleep. You need your rest.
But I might...
You won't. I'm here. Just close your eyes.
Thanks, Sean. I'm glad you're here.
Good night, Daniel. Look, it's easier now. We're going downhill. We just gotta keep walking.
Yeah, that's better. Hey, maybe we'll find a milkshake shop.
Ah, yes. The Forest Secret Milkshake Factory. Keep dreaming, dude. Let's walk a little more. There will be a rest stop or something where we can buy food. I'm sure of it.
Oh, remember that time? Harry Thompson wanted to beat me up. Me and Noah traded some games with Harry, but he didn't like his, so he said he was gonna get us after school.
What did you do?
We waited in the gym until he went home.
That's it? You should have told me.
I tried, but you said to get out of your room.
I'm sorry, Nano.
Hey, there's something ahead.
Yep. Must be the gas station we saw on that sign.
Awesome. I'm so hungry for real food right now.
I hear you. We're gonna get food, water, and plus a map, so we can find the best route.
All right.
Hey, come on. I know last night was Utah. You're a long way from home, dude. Hey, come on. I know. How can someone drive with this mess? Hey, come on. I know last night was tough, but tonight will be better. I swear.
Yeah. I hope. It sucks I can't do Halloween at home. Just Dad. Sean, you sure it's okay to poke around?
California plates. Maybe they can help us.
Can't even check my goddamn voicemail here.
There's nothing to do here. When do we leave?
There might be some leftovers in it. Fuck, is this our life now? Wonder what they're doing here. Maybe they got some extra food. Hey. Hi.
Uh-oh. Here it comes.
Oh, hi there.
So, are you guys just visiting? Or it's kind of out of the way here?
Just passing through on our way to Vancouver to check on our new home. All the way from California.
Yeah, like everybody else in Vancouver.
Oh, that's cool there. We're from Seattle.
That's nice. I just love the weather up here.
Yeah, who loves the sun? Can't wait for all that snow.
I hate the snow.
Oh, that's not that bad. But I don't know about Vancouver.
It's lovely according to the books.
Aw, jeez. You and your books. We'll see.
Hey, happy Halloween. My brother's a zombie. Don't you have a costume?
Nuh-uh. I'm 11 years old. Halloween is for kids.
Oh, my brother loves it.
I don't. I'm almost 12.
Kids always want to be adults. If only they knew. So, how old are you?
He's 9.
I'm almost 10.
Oh, you can talk.
Yeah, he can talk. A lot.
Whatever.
I hate to ask, but, we forgot to get money before coming here, so could you spare a little food or something?
Oh, you poor thing. Of course we can share. It's like a picnic, right?
Whoa. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks.
Wish we had more, but that should tide you over for the day.
Thanks again. Bye.
Bye. See you later.
I want cocoa.
Honey, this is a gas station.
Better clean up before we look like the gutter punks downtown. Hey! Come on in. Let's wash a little.
Ugh, I'm coming.
Stop watching me, perv.
He looks like one of your drawings.
You don't flush, we call the cops. Oh, shit. My face. You look older, dude. Nice. Free water for us.
Ah, cool.
I know. So wash fast.
Ugh, my hands are ice cubes.
Okay, you're done. Are we good to go, or do you need to...
Nah, it's okay. I went in the woods just before we got here.
Cool. Can't believe how lost we are. Do they make actual money doing this?
It's cool we found this place.
Damn. Why do they let this rust out here?
I know Dad would be able to fix it.
Yeah. Maybe not that one, dude.
He has to finish your talk first.
Yeah. I know. Looks like the perfect setting for the Washington Chainsaw Massacre. Kinda creepy, huh?
Nah, I think they're cute. We should have one at home. Dad would love it.
No way we're carrying a freaking log around, dude.
Okay. Right.
This is just... too many bears.
Look at...
What kind of name is Stamper, anyway? Jeez, chill out, folks. Nobody wants to go to your weird house anyway. Never thought I'd be so excited to see a gas station. What the? Something's under that cookie box. Okay. Be gentle. Fly. Be free. Not bad, Sean.
It sucks I can't do Halloween at home.
Hey,
Just Dad.
you forgot something, Birdie. I'm not even sure what kind of bird you are. But I'll keep this. I'm fine. I'm too young.
Sean?
Maybe some other time. I'm on it, hillbilly. Yeah, after the night we just had, I'll pass.
Sean? You see that sign?
Nachos and cerveza? You sound like an expert douchebag.
Hey, look. They're gonna teach us Spanish.
Este tipo es un idiota. No thanks. I already have one.
Shit, they're still looking for us. We can't go back.
Can't let Daniel know. Not right now. Last night was so cold, I don't even want to think about ice. It's weird. This will be my first Halloween away from home. At least Daniel gets a little Halloween spirit.
Hey, Sean. Knock, knock.
Hello there.
Whoa, Sean.
Hey.
They have Choco
Beware the
Crisp.
Halloween witch.
Never heard of that team. Power Bear in the backwoods. More like power marketing.
Oh my God, this is the
It should be called Daniel's Cash Trap.
Hey, come here. Check it
I
out.
hope you find
Look.
what you
Right.
want.
I'll just bust out my platinum card. Dad would have loved this so much.
Sean?
She's staring at you.
Perfect. We should be able to find our way with this.
Go on.